Buy my merch, link down below. Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be doing a vlog style kind of night routine, and this is going to be a autumn night routine, obviously because it is October now, so it's finally autumn. So yeah, before we get on into this video, hi, my name's Rebecca. I upload every Wednesday and every Sunday. I would love it if you join the family by subscribing, also clicking that bell button so you will be notified whenever I upload. And my cat is playing in my rubbish bin. We stan a creative queen who can entertain herself. Yes, you are cute. This is Bailey, actually. It's a boy. I'm not used to cats being boys, okay? Yeah, and also I just want to let you know that this video is kindly sponsored by a skincare company called Banish, which I will talk to you more about and show you kind of my skincare routine with them later on in the video. So you know, links will be down below to their website and stuff like that. They're just a skincare company who are cruelty free and organic, and they only use natural ingredients in their products, and they focus on removing acne scars, so that is really good. Stay tuned to see my autumn nighttime routine. It's currently 6:30 and I've just had a sick day today, so I've got like a bit of a cold and I had a bit of a fever yesterday, and I've also got a cough. So I was actually supposed to work today, and for those of you who don't know, I actually work at McDonald's. Yes, I've been working there for about a month now and I'm actually really enjoying it. Yeah, so my outfit is a comfy one. In my evenings I always have to wear comfy clothes, so I mean, who doesn't though? I'm wearing this new hoodie I got from Junkyard. I can have a link down below. It's just from Thrasher. So comfortable, really lovely. And I'm also wearing these Puma like track pants that Junkyard also sent me. I just actually filmed the haul section for a different video, so it's not really matching, but it's comfy and that's all that matters. My cat is playing with my fairy light. Stop it, Bailey. Stop it. So earlier today I've just been editing a little bit here, and me and mum have been cooking dinner. We're gonna have nachos grande tonight. We really love nachos grande in our family. It's so good. So it's in the oven right now, so I can go down and show you that. It smells so good. This is how it looks, guys. It's amazing. So my little one is the vegetarian one, and then that's Mum and Sophie's. And here are my dogs. We have this one called Ellie. Fun fact, my channel is actually named after you, the star of the show. People will be like, oh, you're copying Jenna Marbles, and yeah, I was such an original kid. No, but from the start my channel was actually called the Selena Cyrus, so I'm sure Rebeccaellie is a lot better. She approves. But this girl over here probably doesn't approve. But her name is Sessan, which is like a Swedish name, so, and it's short for princess as well, so I wouldn't really want to put that false label on myself. You're the only princess in this house. Do you ever just lie on the floor and just let your dogs lick your face? Because same. It's like torture. I don't know why I do it to myself. Ellie, stop it. Please, gör du träningspass med vovve? Ja, det kan jag göra, men hon väger inte så mycket. Så de som gör yoga med sina hundar. Nej. We've got these like pink lights, which is why the lighting looks really weird right now, but I just ate and I just got a foam Santa Claus from Mum that I'm eating on. So nice. I normally just tidy up after myself after eating like any normal human being does, and then head back up to my room. Bed. Most nights I actually do eat in my bed, but we do try and have like family dinners a few times a week, so one of them was tonight. Just realised that my water bottle isn't full, so I need to go down and fill that up, but I'm just so tired and I can't be arsed. Let's just see if I can drink what's there, whatever's left. So my room is actually really messy right now, so I'm gonna tidy it up, I think. But first of all, I'm just gonna lie down in my bed, check my phone a little bit because I am so tired, because I am poorly. Go follow my Twitter too. I post polls and stuff here. I just get stuck on Twitter whenever I'm bored, so Twitter does take up a lot of my time, which is kind of annoying. But my most used app is probably Snapchat. I don't know why, but when I'm bored, I go and talk to my friends on Snapchat because it feels like I'm hanging out with people when I'm actually not, so yeah. I do have a YouTube Snapchat. I do love talking to you guys a lot, so whenever I have time, I do. I don't want this video to be a big like self-promo video, so I'm gonna stop there and start tidying my room soon. Maybe watch some YouTube. I'm actually probably gonna edit a little bit. Oh fuck. I want to like light a candle and it be all autumnal and cute. This is my life, and you can't even be asked to light a candle. I'm gonna put myself together and do it soon. I finally put myself together. Just watched a YouTube video and it's currently like 20 to 8. But I'm gonna tidy my room so I can like light a candle and edit and then take my makeup off. Yes, let's do that and put some music on while I tidy. Look at this little baby. He is the cutest thing ever. And those little paws of yours. Blinds down now because I don't like when it's dark outside and I have my blinds up for some reason. I also just realized this poor plant, I have been starving it, well not starving it but making it really thirsty, so I'm just giving it lots of water now and it's so dry, so sorry about that. So I just cleaned my room, which feels so much better while I tidied it, so now it looks a lot better, but it's still not perfect. Like mum's still put that bed frame there and I want it out of here because it's in the way. I went downstairs and made myself some more lemon water because that really helps me when I have a cold, and I always drink that when I'm poorly because it just, I feel like it helps me get better quicker. And then I also poured some crisps in a bowl that I've got here so I can munch on them when I start getting hungry, because I'm not even hungry, when I start getting peckish I always love a snack in the evening. And I bought the whole crisp bag up as well because I know I'm going to want to fill this up again. And yes, I have my lemon water in my snowman mug because I don't have any other cute mugs here and he is the cutest ever. Maybe a bit too early, but don't fight me because the Christmas stores have already got, what am I saying? But don't fight me because they're shopping. I can't talk. But don't fight me because stores have already got Christmas stuff in, so I burnt myself and that's the tea. Fuck, I'm actually so hot. I'm taking this off. Oh my god. But I'm gonna light a candle now. Cute. So the light you can see is from my laptop. I just lowered it. Got you on tripod just because it's easier to talk then. But at night time I always edit my videos, as you know, like unless I'm in a hurry. It's the only time I'll edit in the day. But I'll mostly just edit at night just because I feel like it's chill, kind of fun, relaxing. I'll just normally shift between editing, watching YouTube and watching Netflix, but currently I'm being obsessed with watching The In-Betweeners, which is kind of like British comedy like series. So that's what I'll be doing, and also like Snapchatting and being on social media, so that's what I'm gonna do now. And I'll see you guys when I'm gonna take my makeup off, and that part of the video is gonna be, I filmed it yesterday just because better lighting and also better bathroom at my dad's because I'm at my mum's now and it's kind of not good to film then. But yeah, that's the part of the video that I'll be talking to you about Banish. I'll see you then. This is me trying out Banish's starter kit. So this video is sponsored by them, so thank you to Banish so much for sponsoring me. As you guys know, I don't normally do like sponsored videos, but I said yes to this company just because I really liked the look of it and was really intrigued. So they are a skincare company which are cruelty free and they only use organic, like natural products, so there's nothing scary that you're putting on your skin, which I really like because I'm all for cruelty free and like natural products. The goal of this starter kit is to remove acne scars, and I know a lot of teenagers have acne scars and stuff like that, So I guess I'll do like a little review for you and show you guys how you use it and stuff. As you can see, I don't have many scars. I have been using this for a few weeks, but I was in England last week, so I couldn't really use it there, so I have been a little bit lazy with it. So I have got a few breakouts on this side of my skin. So the first thing you'll want to do before you start is obviously wash your hands, and I'm going to wash my skin right now. There we go. I look like a knob, but can we ignore that? I think we can, kids.
Try your hardest. It's not going to be easy.
And you're supposed to wash your face with warm water, so you will open your pores, pat dry with a clean flannel. This is how the little kit looks, and then you also get like the banisher, which is the roly thing that you put on your skin. And then there's also a pore smasher, but I can't find it. I think it's at my mum's. I'll insert a picture of it here, but you just put it in the freezer and it will just like kind of numb your skin before you use the banisher on it. But yeah, this is a little cute little bag that we got with it, and in it I got 2 face masks. So we have the activated charcoal clay mask. You use this 1 to 2 times a week, and it absorbs oils and draws out impurities in pores, which can be used before the banisher. This one is for pores, and I do have a lot of pores, so I'll probably be using this one today. And then we also have this pumpkin enzyme mask. I look pale as a ghost right now.
I'm not actually this pale. Don't know what's happening.
And this is used 1 to 3 times a week. Exfoliates skin and recommended for textured and congested acne prone skin, which I also have. Maybe I should use the pumpkin one because I feel like I have a little bit more breakouts to worry about rather than pores, so I'm probably going to use the pumpkin one. So I'm going to use that now. You may feel a slight tingle, that's normal. It literally smells like pumpkin as well, so you can tell it's au natural. I have now successfully applied a thin layer of this mask, and it is kind of tingly and like, yeah, but I feel like it's doing something good. So I'm gonna wait for 15 to 20 minutes, and then this bird nest will be back to you.
I'm back, bitches.
And it's definitely gone more than 20 minutes, but hey,
it's okay.
Time to wash this off my face. I kind of like rub it in while I'm rinsing it off. So this is the banisher. It looks like this, and that's what we're going to roll on our skin, and it will just help heal acne scars. So you're not supposed to do it over active acne, so I'm not going to do it over these spots here because they're kind of like active pimples. But then we also have this banisher stick, which you just stick on any scarring that you want to heal, I guess. Okay, so the banisher, used once every 2 weeks, and it reduces appearance of acne scars, fine lines and hyperpigmentation when used with the banish oil. So we get a banish oil as well that we're supposed to use afterwards. So here we have it, and it's basically got small spikes in it. Roll lightly in one direction. And you're supposed to clean and sanitize this between every use in like rubbing alcohol, and you're recommended to only use this 3 times and then get a new one. If you are sensitive to the sensation when rolling, you're supposed to use the pore smasher, which has been in the freezer, so it will kind of numb your face. Start out with 4 to 5 light rolls. Lift the banisher up each time you change directions. So now what I'm going to do is take the banisher oil, and I'm going to put a few drops of that on my skin. It's just really moisturizes your skin. But yeah, I really love this stuff. So now once the oil has sinked in for a little bit, I'm going to use the Vitamin C Beauty Exceller, and yeah, this just helps hydrate your skin even more, so I'm just going to use that. I really like using this morning and night. It's so good. I use it as my toner. It feels so refreshing on my skin as well. I love it so much. And it also comes with this thing, which is a repairing facial cream. This is like the little moisturizer, so I'm going to apply this after my toner spray has kind of dried. So I didn't use this little stick thing here because I don't have much scarring that I like particularly wanted to treat, but it just looks like this with little like spikes on it. So this will just pinpoint individual scarring. Lightly dab it on the scar, if you get what I mean. And you also get this little container to put rubbing alcohol in, so you can sterilize your banisher after every use. So now I've let that dry into my skin, and now I'm just going to apply the moisturizer that they sent me, the vitamin C cream. So yeah, I'd recommend this starter kit for anyone who is struggling with acne scars because it really does help. I've seen so many other people on YouTube who were really struggling with acne scarring, like compared to me, I don't have much acne scarring, but you can definitely see a difference in their faces. So I can like insert some other people's before and after pictures here as well, because I really don't think I'm doing this justice, but Banish has really helped my skin and with my acne. When I was using it, I definitely saw a difference and my skin cleared up so much, because my skin was so bad before, but then it got better once I started using this. But yeah, I hope you enjoyed this little review slash demo video. Don't forget to buy my merch. I will put a link to it in the description box, and send me a picture if you get the merch and when you're wearing it, and I'll give you a shout out on my Instagram story. So I'm back again with my makeup off now. It's currently 12:30 at night. I've just been editing all night really, so once it's exported I'm gonna go ahead upload it. So it's uploading overnight because I need to upload it tomorrow. I'm just gonna blow my candle out. Oh, but yeah, I just brushed my teeth and I'm gonna export it and then go to bed and probably just scroll through my phone a bit, because that's what I do before bed, but it's really bad. I'm trying to not do it as much, but yeah. And I'm just gonna sleep in like an oversized t-shirt. Could even be this because it's so comfy. We don't know, but we'll see. But yeah, I love you all so much. Thank you for watching this video. Subscribe if you aren't already, and don't forget to check out Banish in the description box. I love you all. Bye, see you in my next video.
Can you fucking focus, please?